Okay, so first things first, we have to go to images and search tag. And I'm going to choose this one right here because of the shape. But if you don't have Cricut Access, you could go to ownership and free, and you'll get a few tags that you could use for free. And also, if you type in label, you get a lot of different shapes that could also be used as tags. Okay, so once I insert the image, I'm only going to do one single layer, so I'm going to get rid of the purple. So I'm going to make a circle and I'm going to center it. This is where the string is going to be. Slice it and delete the circles. The tag's going to be white, so I'm going to go ahead and change the background color to purple, of course. And I'm going to start inserting all the images that I'm going to use. These images, I bought them off of Etsy. And they're already in PNG format, so their background is transparent. All I have to do is upload them as a print then cut. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some flowers. And I'm going to choose this greenery. So these tags are for a client. She purchased a digital invitation from me. So I'm trying to match the tag with the invitation. So in the invitation, I use these flowers, I use the elephant. And I'm gonna write, "Thank you for showering." So I'm also going to use the same fonts that I used on the invitation, so it kind of matches. Okay, so I'm gonna center the words right here. "Thank you for showering." Okay, so once I rearrange this little bunch, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate and flip so it could be on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna do the same thing and put it right here down by the little elephant. She's a little lonely, so she needs some flowers. Next step is to add the name of the baby to be. The name of the baby is Abigail. So now I'm going to insert the baby's name. Change the font, change the color. Bring the letters a little closer. Bring them a little closer so they're all overlapping each other. Okay, now I'm going to select only the letters on the side by holding down Shift and clicking on all the pink letters, and then I'm going to weld. The last step is to add the year, the month and year. So the last step is select all and flatten and resize it and insert our print rectangle, which is 6.75 by 9.25 in height, and fit in as many labels as you can. Depending on the size of your labels, it might be less, Okay, once we have them all, go ahead and delete or hide the rectangle, select all, and attach. Now send it to cut. That's it, print it. Whenever I print something like this, I go to preferences, and I like putting matte and then quality best. So it's up to you, whatever printing settings works best for you, just go with those. Like cardstock, and there you have it. Favorite tags. So now we just add the string. Whatever string you're going to put, I just did a little loop and left the strings open so they could tie it on whatever they wanted to tie them on. And that is all. So thank you for watching. See you next time.
Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you're not, hit that post notification bell. That way you can never miss out on any upload. Bye!